Hello everyone, my name is Bora and today I want to introduce you a new application that our team has put together. Our friend Ryan Quay, who knows coding, he has been working with us to put together a Khmer speech to text. It doesn't exist per se yet in Khmer, although through Google it kind of exists where you can dictate in Khmer, but you need data and internet and Wi-Fi and all that. Originally, when I asked Ryan to put together this app, it was because, and it is still, we have a lot of power cuts here in Cambodia, and so that being the case, I want to be able to translate even in the midst of power cuts, and instead of looking at each other and twiddling our thumbs and trying to figure out what we're gonna do for the next couple of hours. And so yeah, so our friend Ryan has been able to work with Google, and with his genius mind, he's able to do where you can convert Khmer speech into text, and it's amazing. And what I like about this app so much is that you can do command and have it do punctuations as well, versus with Google it doesn't exist yet, but here we're able to teach it through this application. And so he's done a very good job in that, and also teaching how to do numbers. I really appreciate that one. And also Bible references, like he's been able to do it in such a way that it will convert our speech into the way that we want it to be written for the Bible references. So it's pretty cool, and I hope if you are interested in developing resources in Khmer but may not know how to write or have the time to sit down and write, you could hopefully use this app to record yourself talking and just upload to the app, and it will convert into text. I want to, however, make it clear that it's just a beta stage, meaning that it's just a prototype. It's not an end product per se yet, and that being the case, there will be glitches and bugs in the conversion of your speech into text, and sometimes it still needs to recognize your voice as well. And so yeah, a lot of things is at play, but what's cool about it, you can record while there is no internet and yet be able to upload afterward when there is internet and convert into text, and then you can edit it. And he's been able to also put in what we call zero width spacing. So Khmer doesn't have a real space like in some languages, and that being the case, when we put things into InDesign for book format, sometimes things will just fall apart, meaning that the sentence get cut down in such a way that it doesn't look nice. But with the zero width spacing, we are able to fix that as well. And so yeah, I hope you check out the tutorial in this video and see how it works. And also if you run into issues, and you will, it's not a matter of if, but when you run into issues and bugs and glitches, please do comment and let us know, because we want to be able to fix it. In order to get this thing going, first you have to find something for recording it, and a free app that we have found is called ASR, that has the format that we want. So yeah, since I already have it installed, I'm just gonna open it. If you haven't, just go ahead and install it. At first you go to setting, and for the recording you want to choose the format that says FLAC, the very top one, and not other format. That's the best way that Google says the best format to for the speech to text things. So yeah, and once you're done with that, you may notice when you first open, all these things are on in the app automatically, but in this case we want those off, as we are recording it for the speech to text thing. So yeah, once you finish, you go ahead and finish with the setting. Go ahead and go back and go to recording, and you start recording, and here you can speak the Khmer words or sentences or phrases that you want. And the cool thing about this app is that we are able to put in punctuation. So in order to do punctuation, you need to say a command like sanya in front of it. So if you want a period, you have to say sanya khan or if you want a question mark, you have to say sanya suo, and yeah, and all the other punctuations, you just have to say sanya in front of it, and then it should turn that into an actual punctuation instead of written form for you. Yeah, once you're done, go ahead and stop the recording, and you can actually come here, name the file, maybe like how to use or something, you know, any name that whatever you're doing. You can just go ahead and save that file. So once you are done with the recording, you can go ahead and go to the application on the website and go to upload, and then you click the upload and choose the file that you had just recorded. So because the how to use file is mostly English, I'm not gonna choose that, and yeah, I could choose some other file like here, John 3:16 or something, not 3:16, sorry, 14:6, and depending on the size of the file, sometimes it can take a long time for it to upload, but either way, you can just wait for it to upload. Actually, yeah, just keep in mind that this is only a prototype, so it's not gonna be exactly what you want as an end product per se. So yeah, so go ahead and wait for that, and once it's done, you can go to transcript and click view, and it should take you to the text that you had just uploaded, just like right here as I'm showing. Yeah, thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye.